Making money online is a popular goal, especially for beginners, and with the right strategies, it's achievable. Here are some accessible ways to get started. 1. Freelancing. Platforms. Try sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Types of work: writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, social media management, etc. Getting started. Create a profile showcasing your skills, add samples, and start applying for gigs. Beginners can find entry-level tasks to build their portfolio. 2. Online surveys and market research. Platforms: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. Earnings. Most surveys pay a few dollars, but over time, these small amounts add up. Pros and cons. It's low effort but also low income. Great if you're looking for a casual way to earn. 3. Affiliate marketing. How it works. Promote products on social media, a blog, or a YouTube channel, and earn a commission for each sale through your referral links. Platforms: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Getting started. Sign up for affiliate programs, choose products you believe in, and create content around them. Patience is key, as building an audience takes time. 4. Selling products on Etsy or eBay. What to sell? You could start with handmade crafts, vintage items, or even digital products like printables on Etsy. eBay works well for second-hand goods. Pros: low startup cost and easy to set up. Cons: success may take time as you build customer reviews and improve your store's visibility. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. Platforms: Chegg Tutors, VIP Kid, for teaching English, and Udemy, for creating courses. Requirements: you may need expertise in a subject, good communication skills, and sometimes certification, especially for language tutoring. Potential income varies based on subject complexity and platform. 6. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. How it works. Create content in a niche that interests you. Once you gain an audience, monetize with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Investment. You may need a small investment for a domain and hosting if you start a blog. Time requirement. It may take months to see earnings, but it can be a good passive income stream once established. 7. Dropshipping. How it works. Set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. You focus on marketing and selling. Platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon. Investment: minimal upfront investment compared to traditional e-commerce. Skills needed. A knack for marketing is a big plus, as it determines how well you attract customers. 8. Data entry jobs. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, or Clickworker. Getting started. Data entry doesn't require advanced skills, so it's great for beginners. Cons: low pay and can be repetitive. 9. Social media management. What you do: manage content, engage with followers, and create growth strategies for small businesses or individuals. Platforms to find jobs: Upwork, LinkedIn, and Fiverr. Getting started. Familiarize yourself with key platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and consider taking an online course to boost your skills. 10. App testing or website testing. Platforms: user testing, Try My UI, or Testing Time. Earnings: often pay $10 to $20 per test, which usually lasts 10 to 20 minutes. Requirements: a computer, microphone, and sometimes a smartphone. Good communication and attention to detail are a must. Tips for success. Start small. Take on 1 or 2 methods to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and track your progress. Consistency is key, especially with platforms like freelancing, blogging, or YouTube. Consistent effort leads to better results. Invest in learning. Many free or affordable resources can help you upskill and succeed online. With dedication and the right approach, these options can help beginners start earning money online.